and welcome to icemonkeytech. I'm Stephen and today we're going to be taking a look at the Comica V30 Lite microphone, built to use on your video camera or your smartphone. And this is a very small, compact and battery-free device to give you a better sound quality than the inbuilt microphones that we all use on our devices already. I will be comparing this against the Rode video mic and the microphone that's built into the Panasonic video camera I'm currently using right now. You have to take into consideration that the V30 Lite is a fraction of the price of the Rode video mic. We'll compare the three against each other and see how close the Comica can come to the Rode video mic. I will link everything in the description down below, so if you fancy one you can buy one, and also don't forget to comment. And so we'll get this unboxed and we'll do some sound testing. Here we go. So let's take a quick look at the packaging. We'll get this unboxed and see how good it is. This is the Comica V30 Lite. It is super cardioid condenser shotgun microphone, and just coming off the box, it supports your camera and your smartphone. It has a low self noise, super anti-interference, super cardioid, excellent shock absorbing, and basically it's for smartphone and for your camera. As you can see from the pictures here, where it says for your camera, for your smartphone. So features: super cardioid polar pattern, support for smartphone and camera as we've already said, excellent shock mount, no battery drive design, so basically it doesn't take a battery, super low noise electronics, super anti-interference, cold shoe design with a 1/4 thread at the bottom, compact and light, easy to carry, polar pattern, super cardioid, frequency range 40 Hz to 20 kHz. We have output impedance of 2.2 kilo ohms, max XPL of -100 dB, sensitivity 34 dB to 3 dB, signal to noise ratio of 68 dB, it weighs 52 grams, and the dimensions are 160 by 50.8 by 86 millimeters. Right, let's get it open. This is the black version, which is nice because the red version looks a bit like the Rode mic, which I'm going to be comparing this against. Right, so in the box we have QC pass certification from Comica themselves, nice little logo there. We have a manual which has all the bits and pieces in how to use it, and in a few different languages by the looks of it. And we have this Comica audio microphone authorized dealer. There we go. And we have what I believe that is your warranty card, and you have your warranty card. So to the microphone. Let's open this up. So to the microphone. Move that over there. Take this out of the box. One thing I've noticed straight away is extremely light, and I mean really light. I know the Rode is a bigger microphone and it does take a 9-volt battery, so it does add a bit of weight to it, but nice and sturdy, made of plastic, but it seems like it's a nice bit of cushion in there and a nice length on the cable. Not a bad looking little microphone that. Let's take this sleeve off, and that itself is the microphone. Like I said before, it is plastic, but everything's made of plastic these days, so we'll get this back on. We have a button on the back. If you can see that button on the back, that button on the back is camera or smartphone, depending on what device you have this plugged into. We have a 1/4 screw thread and a hot shoe on the bottom, so we can fasten it to our camera. Right, so let's get this on the camera and we'll see what it's like. We'll compare it with the Rode microphone, we'll compare it against the camera's own built-in microphone, we'll see how good it sounds. So here we go. This is a sound test using the Panasonic video camera's inbuilt mic. This is a sound test using the Rode video mic. This is a sound test using the Comica V30 Lite microphone. So that was the difference between the Comica, the Rode video mic, and the camera's inbuilt mic. Now, although I've got the Samsung S20 and I do have the adapter, this little adapter here, for some reason, no matter what microphone I plugged into this, the Samsung would not recognise the device. So I think it's purely down to this connector, and this may be a headphone only connector. I'm not sure. I'll have to go back and test that in the future. So after listening to all that back, I've decided that it's not a bad microphone. Now, compared to the Rode video mic, it does sound, well, I think it has a little less depth. But what you've got to remember is the Rode video mic uses a 9-volt phantom power. It's bigger, it's heavier, it's bulkier. It's not something that you can stick in your pocket or hide quite easily in a small space. It is quite a chunky bit of kit. However, the Comica is very light, it is very compact, and you won't run out of battery because it doesn't need a battery to run, which is an absolutely massive plus point from my point of view. So I will be keeping this microphone and using it quite often. I'm actually using it to do the audio on this video, although when indoors I will probably stick to the Rode mic, but if I go outdoors I will be using the Comica V30 Lite, an excellent mic at an excellent price. So let me know what you think in the comments. Tick like, subscribe, hit the bell, and share the heck out this video. See if we can get me over 500 subs, because at the minute I've just hit over 3, which I'm quite proud of actually. Take care, I'll see you all later.